Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to calculate compound annual growth rate or CAGR in Excel. So I've got a table here with year in one column and the respective sales for that year in the other column. So Excel has an inbuilt function called RRI. I'm going to type RRI and open the bracket. Number of period will be 4 because 2018 to 2019 will be 1 year growth, 2019 to 2020 will be 2 year growth, 20 to 21 will be 3 year growth, and 21 to 22 will be 4 year. So the number of periods will be 4. Present value will be the initial value, and the final value will be the 2022, which is the final value. Close the bracket, and there you go. You have 13% growth for a period of 5 years. So that's how you calculate compound annual growth rate. Thank you for joining. I'll see you in the next video.